This is a new wireless microphone system that I purchased on Amazon. It is model YY-T1. The box contains a small pamphlet for the user manual, warranty information, the wireless transmitter, which has a clip on it to attach to your pocket or belt, a 3.5mm jack with screw mount to secure the microphone. There is also a wireless receiver which has a power button on the top, and it comes with a cradle to mount it to your camera hot shoe. This is the charging cable that has two ports to charge the receiver and transmitter simultaneously. This is the headphone microphone, which is best used for noisy environments or when you need to move around a lot. This keeps a consistent microphone distance to your mouth. Notice that the plug has a screw-on collar to attach it securely to the transmitter. This is a 3-pole converter for the transmitter, allowing you to plug it directly into a video camera or DSLR. This is a second converter which has 4 poles, allowing you to plug it into a cell phone or a modern laptop. And this is the lapel microphone that includes a tie clip attachment. Notice that it also has a screw-on collar to keep the microphone securely connected to the transmitter. And finally, there are some extra windscreens for the microphones. Here again is the transmitter for the microphones. On top there's an antenna, power switch, and microphone jack. On the bottom is a micro USB charging port for the battery. I'll next demonstrate how to connect the headset microphone to the microphone jack. Insert the plug into the jack and then turn the collar clockwise to tighten. Now it is firmly attached. To remove the microphone, reverse the steps. This is a test of the new microphone system that I purchased on Amazon. It has a transmitter that you can have different frequencies activated on, so that if there are other people using a similar frequency, you can avoid interference. I've now changed the frequency of the transmitter. I've now changed the frequency again of the transmitter. Again, this has been an unboxing and demonstration video for the model YY-T1 wireless microphone system. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the operation and the price for this system. It allows me additional capability for my video work. I especially like that the receiver has a 1/4-inch phono plug, which allows the system to be directly plugged into audio mixing boards or audio amplifiers. The included adapters for the receiver allow the system to be quickly converted for use for DSLRs, cell phones, and laptops. This is an affordable wireless microphone system that performs very well for my needs. I also like that the transmitter allows the use of other microphones through the 3.5mm input jack. That gives me a lot of flexibility to connect other types of microphones, like shotgun microphones, to use with the system. I would recommend this wireless system to others.